Right here. Once that light turns green.
I bet. But what's happening, guys? What is going on? How you doing? I'm doing fantastic, man. Another great day, another blessing. Let's count it. If you're watching this, you're blessed. You're just blessed enough to have internet and to be watching YouTube on your free time. Yeah, man, we're gonna get right into it. Right now, I'm meeting up with my boy Snooge. He is also a YouTuber slash like somewhat car guy. He's not like heavy into it like me, but you know, he always has some nice whips. We're gonna get a few runs in with his M4. His is entirely stock, like bone stock, nothing done to it from my knowledge. I think it just has lowering springs on it. You know what, I'm just gonna park in the garage so we can get that ambient lighting busting, you know what I'm saying? I believe he has a 2021 M4 competition. I believe that is the G82. Those are advertised as about like 510 horsepower to the crank, but we all know that BMW caps with their numbers. My M2, that was supposed to be like 360 horsepower stock, and it put down 350 to the wheels. Same with this one, you know, they advertise it as about 386 horsepower, I think, and it put down 370. They're pretty true to the numbers. I feel like the new G80, G82s are putting down probably roughly around 500 to the wheels stock. So it should be an interesting little run. Obviously stock for stock, that car is going to be faster, but in my case, this car is running a catless downpipe and a custom E50 tune. It has an intake too, but that's just for sound. I feel like I might be making a little more torque than him, but I know his car is a tiny bit lighter, so we're gonna see how this plays out. Oh guys, the car looks beautiful, man. I just got it back from paint correction and ceramic coat, and Jesus Christ, oh my God, damn, it looks so good, bro. I know you guys can see that difference on video compared to how it looks now. This thing looks so clean. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, out of all my cars that I've owned, this is probably one of my favorite ones. One of them. As far as the car itself and just the setup and how it looks. Like this color combo, like I freaking love it, bro. The orange calipers on this paint with the wheel color. Like I truthfully don't think I will change this setup at all. I really, really love this combo. So yeah, man, I'm just waiting on my Valvetronic exhaust to come so I can slap on my rear diffuser. It's sick, man. It has third brake light. It comes all the way out to here, full carbon. Thing is gonna look so good. It's just like that missing piece to the puzzle. Like it looks so empty right here, but once we have the diffuser, it's gonna be good. I actually have some tail lights. I have the OLEDs, the sequential ones. Those are gonna look sick. And yeah, man, after that, like, she's really kind of done. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. You know me, man, I get straight to the point, get the car done, and I'm pretty, you know, satisfied with my setups. I mean, who would want to change this, bro? It looks so clean. Like, it just looks perfect. This is literally the perfect daily. And the interior, oh, I have a steering wheel coming, and what else? I don't know, there's something else. I think I'm just doing slotted drilled rotors and some ceramic pads so we can eliminate that brake dust. But she looks good, man. We're just waiting on my boy to pull up. Should be here any minute. I'm tripping, bruh. I didn't show you guys the car in the sunlight. That's where this thing glows. Oh my goodness. Bruh. It looks so good. It's so eye-pleasing. Like, just look at that, bruh. This combo is definitely one of my favorites. 1000%. It looks so damn good. Sheesh. Sorry, it's a little windy. Damn. My neck is broken, bro. It's literally broken. Damn, looking good on the springs, though. The man, the myth, the legend, no hezzy himself. Let me get them seats, my G. Sheesh. The carbon nut hutters?
Just for you.
Damn. The little thing back there for Kobe?
Yeah. You see that shit?
I gotta take that shit out, bro.
So this seat you can get from eBay as well, if you didn't know.
Shit, I need that. These are fire, bro. That's so sick.
Bro, thank you.
Yeah, I can't even put my dog.
This is about, you know?
My dog's not even going in the back, bro. He will destroy everything.
You have a dog, huh?
Yeah, a little Shiba. A little badass motherfucker.
Hey, did we ever give you a no hezzy hat?
No, bro.
Bro, are you serious? Angel, we never gave him a no hezzy hat?
Look at this dude. Hey, let me get that umbrella too, my boy.
Oh, hell no.
Ah, this thing got
doo-doo.
the
last clean hat, bro. The last clean no hezzy hat. It's gonna be your favorite hat.
Oh, for sure losing now. I got the power of no hezzy. That boost is no hesitation.
Hey, you trying to run that one-on-one?
Hey.
For your heart?
What do you think about that? I don't
For your
know.
heart. Angel, what do you think?
I think that's gonna be a fair match, dude.
One-on-one for your heart, bro. If I win, give me your heart.
Dude. Alright guys, let's see what happens. Should be pretty interesting. I always do that, open the wrong damn window.
Right here. Right here. Once that light turns green,
I bet.
I'm gonna put it on an automatic.
Automatic, boys. Damn. That bitch spun like a motherfucker. That shit spun first and second. I was not expecting that. It's not bad. I definitely spun off that dig for a little bit, but it made a fair run. I know this bitch is hot. I'm hot. That was a good matchup, man. Not bad. Spun on the little diggy, but it's cool. I think we should just go to Top Golf, my G.
Naughty. I'm sad, bro. Look, this guy right here, he was never on my side. He said that I was gonna lose. And was he right?
Sheesh.
He was right, bro.
He said, look at the wheels.
Extra temper.
Hey, they are lighter than stocks, though. They are lighter than stocks. My stock wheels are heavy as compared to these.
Angel, just for that.
Rotational mass.
He has to sit in a, bro. He has to go with you.
The fucking Jaguar? What?
That was kind of fast, huh?
Nah, that shit was weak. That shit was weak.
You got that.
That was pretty lit, man. That was like some fair, straight up, fun little runs. I'm not sure which car has a better cooling system. I would assume the M4 does, since it's, you know, technically like a track car. But I know after like 2 or 3 pulls, this thing definitely starts pulling timing, because you could feel it. Like you can even see it in the races, like the first one compared to like the last race. But that was still fun, man. That was fair. My guys over at PQ, they really want to do meth on this just to keep it consistent, but I'm like, I don't know, man. I'm not the biggest meth guy, but for sure a downpipe tune G80 or G82 is definitely gonna be faster than this. Man, I'm not gonna talk your guys' ear off. We are headed to Irwindale. There's a Origins meet going down. Should be a pretty decent turnout, so let's see what we get into.
15 minutes later.
All right, guys, we are here. Holy moly, look at that. I don't even know where I'm supposed to be parking. This is my boy Dan. That's Dan. Dan the man. Look at this dude.
And I'm gonna shake your hand and say, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to his stuff. And if y'all fuck with me, y'all gonna subscribe to my shit too. But you know,
Teach me how to dance, man.
I got you, bro. I got you. I just had to come in and say that real quick. I'm gonna dip like ranch. You heard me?
Demonetized.
She's on my dick, tell them give me 1 minute.
Oh my goodness, I got this shit, bro. I need this shit. Look at me. You are struggling, bro. Caress my beard. Caress my beard. Caress my beard.
Little Ferrari action. Oh my.
Ferrari. What the fuck?
Not fair. Sneaky, sneaky. Thing's quiet.
Shit, my boy. The BBS's. The beeps.
LA.
Hey, for Papa Willie. Fucking Dan. That shit's sick. Sheesh, the BBS is that? That shit's clean. I got the same lights. Well, guys, it is about that time to dip. I'm tired as shit, man. It's been a long week. Today is actually the first time I filmed like this entire week. It's a Saturday and I haven't filmed anything this week, so it's super busy. But back to the grind, man. Got more content coming for you guys, so stay tuned. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Catch you guys in the next video.